Are you cleaning outside food items properly? The FSSAI is the body that makes sure that the food Indians eat is safe and wholesome. They have recently released tips on cleaning food products that we bring into our homes during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Wash your hands properly with soap before and after handling food items brought from outside. Use lukewarm water to wash fruits and vegetables. If needed, you can use 1 drop of 50 parts per million chlorine in a tub of water and dip fruits and vegetables in it before washing them. Refrigerator temperatures must be kept below 4 degrees Celsius as far as possible. For items that are packaged, you can disinfect the packaging with alcohol-based solutions or soap and clean water. The FSSAI has also stated that using soap, disinfectants, other chemicals or sanitizers on fruits and vegetables is not advisable. You must make sure that these safety tips are followed at your home.